Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a new tutorial and it is very important. Here after this you will be able to use the Camscanner efficiently. Camscanner is a app which is very helpful in converting your pictures to PDF format. This can be done for different purposes when you are a student and you are sending assignment to your teacher, your papers or your quizzes. So nowadays and this lockdown, this is very helpful tool, and maybe you have another use. So I have already captured some picture from my paper, and now I will convert them to a single PDF file through using the Camscanner. So open the Camscanner. So I have opened the Camscanner and now click over this and click on this and sort out your pictures. So these are my picture from here to this point. So these are so many. So I will select all of them. So this is my cover page. This is my first page. So start from here to that point. So this is the order in which I captured these pictures. So this is very simple. You can select all of them very easily and instantly. If you are stuck to select one by one, so it will take 2 3 or 4 minutes, but I will do it very easily. So let's start. So here you see how I drag my fingers. So select the first one and drag to the left and then move upward. So all 36 are selected. Now from here make sure that this point is selected auto crop, so that will automatically crop your picture and remove the unwanted background. So now click on the import. So these will be imported to Camscanner, and here you see the progress. 8 and 9 pictures are imported, 10, 11, and if all of them are imported, then we will move forward. 21, 22, and this is very efficient way of using the Camscanner. 83%, and it is near to the 100%. So and now it will start automatically cropping your pictures. Here you see the first two are cropped. So this is cropped. This small space is there uncropped, but it is still okay. Here you see all your pictures are cropped. From here you can see there's 12 are cropped. I want to deselect these because these are not part of my assignment. So delete these three and let the other two crop. 24, and this is a huge file because I have 31 or 33 pictures. Now click over here and you can share directly them from here. This is very simple. Now this is your complete file. You can share it through Gmail, WhatsApp, and I want to save it to this. So now from here, yes, quit, and let's reopen this and name it as particularly this was my assignment, and rename it. Let's suppose I rename it Imtiaz Ali. So click OK and click paper 1. So you will sort out this and this here and search Imtiaz paper 1. So this is your file complete. From here you can share it easily. So this was a small trick, and here I show you the way that you can convert your pictures into PDF using Camscanner in an efficient way. So thank you for watching this video.